Please rotate your phone. Open Lightroom. Add photo gallery. Don't skip this video. Open Light Tools. Adjust highlights. Please subscribe my channel. Adjust contrast. Please like me. Adjust whites. Adjust blacks. Open colors. Open color mix. Adjust green color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust yellow color. Adjust saturation. Adjust hue. Download preset in description. Adjust blue color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust violet color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust red color. Adjust luminous. Adjust orange color. Adjust luminous. Open colors. Adjust vibrance. Adjust saturation. Open effects. Adjust vignette. Adjust clarity. Adjust texture. Adjust midpoint. Adjust highlights. Export image. Please subscribe my channel. Please like me.